Hello guys, Burgeonn here. I have read comments from review channels that people want to stick to Pixel 9 to the 8. It is understandable with some highlighting that Pixel 10 doesn't seem like a big upgrade sadly. Some of the features seemed cool and folks will probably wait until a new sensor and a massive spec jump on the 11 or 12th. Critically, Pixel May 10th not be optimum for those deep into hardware improvisation, but great for audience into software and AI customization. Google Pixel want to rule the AI market, that's for sure. Will they win any award in AI section in Mr. Hosteboss and MKBHD's smartphone awards? We will wait and see. One may wonder what great trackers and economists may say. The Pixel 10 Pro isn't just a smartphone. It's Google's flagship statement on what AI-first hardware should look like in 2025. Powered by the Tensor G5 chipset, it unlocks the full potential of Gemini AI, enabling real-time photo enhancements, voice-guided editing, and predictive app behavior that feels borderline telepathic. For AI highlights, Magic Editor 2 recompose, relight, and reimagine photos with voice prompts. There's Live Translate 2, which translates video calls and real-time captions across 40-plus languages. Call Assist summarizes voicemails, suggests replies, and even screens spam with contextual nuance. You can see Pixel dominance low-key makes other AI phones look stupefied. The Pixel 10 Pro earns its poetic title with a triple lens setup that's not just powerful, it's intuitive. For lens type, we have the 50MP OIS main ones for daylight, lowlight, HDR shots. A 48MP 125 degrees FOV ultrawide for landscapes and architecture. 48MP 5x optical zoom periscope telephoto for portraits and distant subjects. 42MP 4K video front camera for vlogging, selfies, video calls. AI touches as auto-removal of photo bombers, skin tone-aware HDR, and cinematic blur for video. The 6.3-inch LTPO OLED panel is a stunner, peaking at 3,500 nits brightness, ideal for outdoor use and HDR content. Adaptive 120Hz refresh rate ensures buttery scrolling. Gorilla Glass armor resists scratches and glare better than ever. Whether you're editing photos or watching Dolby Vision content, this display feels like a canvas for creativity. With 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB UFS 4.0 storage, the Pixel 10 Pro is built for multitasking and media-heavy workflows. Running Android 15, it promises 7 years of updates, making it one of the longest supported Android phones ever. For battery and charging, it is solid and a little spectacular. It charges nearly 5,000 mAh battery, lasts a full day with moderate use. 27W wired/21W wireless charging is decent, but slower than rivals like OnePlus or Xiaomi. A quick note for my fast tracking audience. Now, if you're picking up the Pixel 10 Pro, don't stop at the phone. To get the most out of its wireless charging and AI-powered routines, I highly recommend pairing it with the Pixel Stand 3. It's not just a charger, it's a smart dock that turns your phone into a bedside assistant, photo frame, and even a mini hub for your smart home. Prefer portability? Grab a MagSafe-compatible adapter to unlock magnetic charging and accessories. And for creators or multitaskers, a ring stand adds grip, stability, and doubles as a kickstand for hands-free use. Check them on stock at Amazon store. Links in video description. Thanks for supporting. Design and build has subtle refinement. The Pixel 10 Pro refines Google's aesthetic with a matte back, shiny aluminum frame, and IP68 durability. Fingerprint sensor has ultrasonic, fast, and reliable. Face unlock has improved with AI depth mapping. It's not flashy, but it's elegant, like a well-tailored suit that doesn't scream for attention. If you value AI-enhanced photography, long-term software support, and Google's ecosystem, The Pixel 10 Pro is a top-tier recommendation, ideal for creators who want intelligent editing tools, travelers needing real-time translation and camera versatility, Android loyalists seeking longevity and clean software. Check the valuables in the description. Thanks for watching.